Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your password on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, you need to open your system settings. You can open the system settings by clicking on this system settings icon on the dock, or you can also open the system settings by clicking on this Apple logo and then click on system settings option. And here on the left hand side, you need to search for the section called users and groups. And once you click on the users and group options, you will be able to see all the users and groups related to your Mac operating system. In my case, I have only one user, and for this user, I want to change the password. So I can just click on the info icon on the side of this username. So I'm going to click on this info icon, which is going to open this kind of window. You can see straight away that there is an option to change the password. So I'm going to click on the change password option. First of all, you need to give the previous password. So I'm going to provide my previous password, and then I'm going to give the new password. Let's say I'm going to provide a very simple password here, and then I'm going to provide the password again, and then I'm going to provide any hint for the new password. I'm going to just give very simple hint here, and then I can click on change password, and my password is changed. So from the next time when I log out of my Mac operating system and I want to sign in again, then I can use the new password to log in to my Mac operating system. So that's how you can change the password on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.